Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 9th March 2025. Title of Murli. Especially celebrate this year as the year for being liberated in life. Have unity and, with concentration, reveal the Father. Baba said, all of you Brahman souls will not go empty-handed like the rest of the world, because the Master of all treasures has made each child the master of inexhaustible, unbroken, imperishable treasures. The first treasure is the wealth of knowledge. Use this treasure of knowledge while performing every task in your practical life. Then you attain liberation from many limited bondages and liberation in life. Then all types of hue and cry end and you start singing songs of praise. Further, Baba said, if there is even a thought of hue and cry about something in the mind, then it is not flying, that is, it is not the art of flying. Only when you become born free will the gate of liberation from sorrow and peacelessness open for all souls, and this responsibility is on you. That is why Father Brahma especially tells each child to become like me, O Arjun. Never say that if this one changes, I will change, if this one does, I will do. In this, first say, I, because this I is the benevolent I. The rest of the limited I will bring you down. One will have to die from this ego. Anyway, this is not death but living in the fortune of the kingdom for 21 births. Finally, Baba said, everyone is clever in teaching one another, but do not teach too much. Keep forgiving. You may teach by narrating Murli, conducting courses or in programs, but when you come into business with each other, then teach with forgiveness and by being merciful. Blessing for today. May you be an intense effort maker who does not think about the past but puts a full stop to it. Details are: put a full stop to whatever has happened until now. Not to think about the past is to make intense effort. If anyone thinks about the past, his time, energy and thoughts are all wasted. This time is not to be wasted, because if even 2 moments of the confluence age, that is, if even 2 seconds of the confluence age are wasted, you have then wasted many years. So, know the importance of this time and put a full stop to the past. To put a full stop means to become full of all treasures. Slogan is, when every thought is elevated, there will then be benefit for yourself and for the world. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. Adopt the culture of truth and good manners. Speak about any aspect of knowledge with authority, as well as with truth and manners, not with hesitation. In order to bring about revelation, first of all reveal yourself. Be fearless. Let there be fewer words in your lectures, but let them be so powerful and filled with the Father's introduction and His love that the magnet of love pulls souls to God.